Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you a very simple eyeshadow look like this. Only 3 eyeshadows used, and let's get started. So we're going to start off with priming our eyes. So the eyebrow lady kind of peeled my skin off. Got my brows done yesterday after a very long time. Priming your eyes means that there won't be any creases after you've done your makeup. And we're going for a really simple, easy look. So yeah, we're going to use that Huda Beauty makeup. Look for the correct brush. We're going to use this brush here. Now, we're using this brown color here. And just onto your creases in this motion right here. Now we're gonna get this pink color, pinky reddy color right here. Don't hit me with those green tags. Fuck boys want but get no sex. Straight into the middle. Now we're going to switch brushes into the flat brush, and we're going to grab this glitter color right here. We're going to chuck this right in the middle here. So that is my eyeshadow done, but I'm going to water my line. So this is where this comes in. We're not going to be using this eyeshadow, we're just using the eyeliner. Now with this, you've just got to water your waterline up here very carefully. Try not to poke your eyes, just there.
Done.
quick disclaimer, I am not a makeup artist. I just love putting on makeup, and I think that sometimes, although it's nice seeing makeup artists do things, I just think it's sometimes a little bit too complicated, and I'd rather do like real simple things, show what everyday makeup kind of looks like. Not everyday, but this is like what you could do for Valentine's Day, or if you're going out for a date night, just something simple, going out with the family, going out for dinner, anything simple, easy, will take you 20 minutes max, and you're done and you're out of the house ready. So anyway, I hope you like that look. Please like, share, subscribe, do your thing. Thank you. Have a good day.